Hi my dear students, how are you all? I am Sandhya from Bharatidasa Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 3rd standard maths for you. Before going to the topic, we will see some introduction, then you know what is our today's topic. Are you all ready my dears? Listen. Consider, Deepak, you have 3 red color coins. Deepak, you have 3 red color coins. 3 red color coins. And your friend Sunil has 5 yellow color coins. And your friend Sunil has 5 yellow color coins. Yellow color coins. Listen. Now we are going to put together and count them. Now tell me Sunil, how many coins are there in your hand? Yeah, very good. He said, ma'am, totally I had 8 coins. How did you say the answer? Yeah, he said, ma'am, by counting or adding we get the answer. By counting or adding we get the answer. By counting or adding we get the answer. Counting or adding. Listen children, now I am going to tell how we said the answer. Now you take the numbers alone. Take 3 plus 5. This is for addition symbol. Now you take 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. What is the answer? 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he said the correct answer. So the answer is 8. Now listen children, in this addition, in the numbers we have some names. Here the 3 and 5 are called addends. The 3 and 5 are called addends. A-D-D-E-N-D-S. The 3 and 5 are called addends. The resulting number is called sum. The resulting answer or number is called sum. Why do we call 3 and 5 are addends? Because when the numbers are terms added together, when the numbers are terms added together is called addends and the resulting answer is called sum. I hope everyone knows what is our today's topic. Yeah, our today's topic is very good, addition. What is our today's topic? Our today's topic is addition. So our today's topic is addition. The symbol for addition is plus. Now we are going to see the first part of the addition. Now we are going to see the first part of the addition. This is part 1. Part 1. Instead of addition, we should use sum, increase, and together, plus and more. Instead of addition, we should use the words sum and together, plus, more and increase. What is that? Sum and together, plus, more and increase. So next you listen. So what is, before going to the exercise problem, I will tell what is addition. When the things or numbers put together, when the things or number put together we do addition, or finding the total or sum by combining 2 or more numbers, combining 2 or more numbers. So whatever number they are giving, you should combine and add and write the answer. Now we will see some examples. Listen. Now you have 3 apples. Now you have how many apples? 3 apples. Your mother going to give 2 apples. Your mother going to give 2 apples. Now we are going to find the total number of apples. Now we are going to find the total number of apples. Listen. So this is 1, 2, 3. You have 3 apples. Your mother going to give 2 apples. 1, 2. Now we are going to add this. Take 3 plus 2. Totally how many apples are there? 5 apples. Totally how many apples are there? 5 apples. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5. So the total number of apples is 5 apples. What is the total number of apples? The total number of apples is 5 apples. Now we are going to see the one more example is there. Listen. Our next example, one more example is there. First they are given 5 flowers. First they are given 5 flowers and next we are going to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 flowers is there. So add 6. Now find the total number of flowers. Keep 5 in the mind, 6 in the finger. Now everyone let count this 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. So totally how many flowers are there? 11 flowers are there. Totally how many flowers are there? 11 flowers. Okay children. Next you listen. Today we are going to see the exercise problem. The first one is adding 2-digit number without regrouping. Adding 2-digit number without regrouping. Our next one is adding 2-digit number with regrouping. Our next topic is adding 3-digit number without regrouping, and final topic is adding 3-digit number with regrouping. So our first topic, adding 2-digit number without a regrouping. Adding 2-digit number without a regrouping. So what is without regrouping? When we are doing the addition problem. When we are doing the addition problem, if the sum does not have the carry. If the sum does not have the carry, it is called addition without regrouping. Listen my children. First they are given one example. 73 plus 21. 73 plus 21. While adding the number, first you should write the place values. First you should write the place values. Before writing the place value, now I am going to tell why the place value is important in addition. Why the place value is important in addition. Listen. Because the place values helps us to understand the meaning of number and where to use which number based on the question. Then one more thing is there. Now I am going to tell which numbers are comes under ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, and it will be go on. Listen, ones place values. The ones place values are 0 to 9. What is the ones place value? The ones place values comes under 0 to 9. And the tens place value. The 10th place values are 10 to 99. 10 to 99. Okay children. And next one is 100. 100 place values are 100 to 999. 999. Next you are going to take 1000 place value. The 1000 place values are 1000 to 9999. So likewise it will be goes on. First you are going to add this one. 73 plus 21. First you will write the place values. What is the first place value, Deepak? Yeah, very good my dear. The first place value is ones. So write ones. Next, the 10th place value. What is the 10th place? 10th. Next the place value is tens. So write tens. Next you will see here we have two groups of number. Now we are going to take first group of the number. What is the first group of the number? 73. Here the ones place value is 3 and the 10th place value is 7. Next, tell me Nasreen, what is the ones place value second group of number? Yeah, the ones place value is 1. So write 1 and the 10th place value is 2. So write 2. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should start ones place. Now keep 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 3 after, what is the answer? The answer is 4. So the answer is 4 ones. Next you will take a 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 7 after, 8, 9. So the answer is 9 tens. What is the answer? 9 tens. So write 9. So finally you take and write the answer. Answer 94. What is the answer? 94. So what is the topic now? Listen, adding 2-digit number without regrouping. So without regrouping means does not have the carry. Without regrouping means what? Does not have the carry. Now you listen next one. Our next topic is adding 2-digit number with regrouping. So what is with regrouping? When we are doing the sum or adding the sum, if the sum has carry, that is called addition with regrouping. That is called addition with regrouping. Listen my children, here they are given question. 63 plus 88. 63 plus 88 already they are arranged. Listen. Ones place value is 3. The 10th place value is 6. Now listen Nasreen, the ones place value, second group of number, the ones place value is 8 and the 10th place value is 8. Now we are going to add this. while adding the number, first you should start ones place. While adding the number, first you start ones place value. Listen. Now keep 3 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 3 in the mind, 8 in the finger. Now everyone count with me. 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here we got two groups of number, right? 11 ones. Listen my children. Now we are going to split this one. 1 ones and 1 tens. 1 ones and 1 tens. Now in this 1 tens you are going to write carry over to the 10th place. Carry over to the 10th place. In this 1 ones you should write under the ones place. Write 1 here. Okay my dears. Next you take a tens place value. What is the tens place value? 110 plus 16 plus 8 tens. 110 plus 16 plus 8 tens. 1 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 1 after, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 after, 7. You got 7 answer. Next you keep a 7 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you got the answer is 15. So there is no 100 place value. So you simply write 15 here. So finally you take and write what is the answer. The answer is 151. 151. Listen my children, I will give one more example. Listen. For example, first they are given 38 plus 9. 38 plus 9. First you are going to write the place value. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones. Next you will write the second place value. The second place value is tens. Take the first group of the number. Here we got two groups of number, right? Take the first group of the number. What is the ones place value? Here the ones place value is 8. Next you take the 10th place value. What is the 10th place value? The 10th place value is 3. Next you will take the second group of the number. Here we got only one number. So you should start ones place onwards. That is right side. That is right side. So take and write 9. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should start ones place. 8 in the mind, 9 in the finger. 8 in the mind, 9 in the finger. Now Deepak, tell me what is the answer. Just you count and tell me dear. 8 in the mind, 9 in the finger. 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What is the answer? 17. Here we got two groups of number, right? Now we are going to split this. Listen, 17 ones. 17 ones. So take 7 ones and 1 tens. 7 ones and 1 tens. In this 1 tens you are going to write carry over to the tens place. Carry over to the tens place, and this 7 ones you should be written under the ones place. So write 7. Next the tens place value. 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 1 after, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 47. What is the answer? 47. So shall I move to next one? Listen my dears. So our next topic is adding 3-digit number with regrouping, without regrouping. Listen, this is also same like 2-digit number. Like what is without regrouping? Already you know. When we are doing the addition problem, if the sum does not have the carry, it is called addition without a regrouping. Listen, here we are given the question is 605 plus 241. 605 plus 241. Now we are going to arrange this. So what is the two groups of numbers there? Take the first group of the number. Take the first group of the number. Say what is the ones place value here? Very good. The ones place value is 5. Then what is the 10th place value? The 10th place value is 0. What is the 100 place value? The 100 place value is 6. And next you take the second group of number. What is the ones place value? The ones place value is 1. Next you will take, what is the tens place value? 4. And finally the hundred place value is 2. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should start. Yeah, ones place. What is the ones place value? 5 ones plus 1 ones. 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. Tell me Rasreen, what is the answer? 5 after? Yeah, very good my dear. The answer is 6 ones. So write 6 ones. Next you will take a tens place. 0 tens plus 4 tens. You are getting the same answer. 0 plus 4, the answer is 4. So write 4 here. Next you will take 100 place. 600 plus 200. Take a 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 6 after? 7, 8. So the answer is 8. What is the answer? 8. So write finally 846 is the answer. What is the answer? 846. And we will see one more example. Listen. 305 plus 21. 305 plus 21. While adding the number, first you should start the place values. What is the first place value? Ones, tens, hundreds. Why? Because here we got 3 groups of number. So take ones place value. What is the ones place value? The ones place value is 5. And what is the tenth place value? The tenth place value is 0. And finally the hundred place value is 3. Next you take the second group of number. What is the ones place value? 1. And the tenth place value is 2. There is no hundred place value, right? So simply leave that place. Put addition symbol. Now we are going to add this. Take right side. First ones place value. 5 in the mind, 1 in the finger. What is the answer? 5 after 6. The next one is 0 plus 2. So you are getting the same answer too. The next one is there only 300. There is no down value. So take 3. So the final answer is 326. What is the answer? 326. Next we will see the adding 3-digit number with regrouping. Adding 3-digit number with regrouping. Adding 3-digit number with regrouping. So what is with regrouping? Already you know, 2-digit number with regrouping. When we are adding the number, if the sum has carry. If the sum has carry, that is called adding with regrouping. Listen here. Here we have got the question 372 plus 256. 372 plus 256. Now we are going to write the place values. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones. And what is the next place value? Tens. And the next one is 100. So take 100 place value. Why? Because we have here 3 groups of number only. Okay. So now you take the ones place value. In first group the ones place value is 2. The 10th place value is 7. And finally the 100 place value is 3. Next you will take the ones place value. What is the ones place value? 6. The 10th place value is 5. And the 100 place value is 2. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should start ones place. Okay. Take a 2 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. The answer 8 ones. What is the answer? 8 ones. Now you should count with me. Listen dears. 7 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here we got 2 groups of numbers. So you are going to split this. 12. Okay. So how we will split this? 2 tens plus 1 hundreds. 2 tens plus 1 hundreds. In this 100, you should be written carry over to the 100 place. You should be written carry over to the 100 place. And finally, the 2 tens you should be written under the tens place. Now we are going to add 100 place. Here we got 100 place values are 100 plus 300 plus 200. Keep 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4. then 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 4 after, 5, 6. What is the answer? 5, 6. So the final answer is 6. So take and write the answer 628. 628. Next we will see the one more example. Listen children, adding 3-digit number with regrouping. So take 3, 8, 4 plus 5, 3. Okay. Now we are going to arrange the place values. What is the first place value? Ones. And what is the second place value? Tens. And take what is the final place value? Hundreds. Why? Because here we have 3 numbers only. So take the first group of the number. The ones place value is 4. And what is the 10th place value? The 10th place value is 8. And finally the 100 place value is 3. Tell me Ramya, what is the ones place value in second group? 3. And the 10th place value is 5. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first you should start ones place. Keep 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 4 after, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7 ones. 7 ones. Next you take the tens place. 8 tens plus 5 tens. 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you got 2-digit number. So now we are going to split this. 13. This is 3 tens plus 100s. 3 tens plus 100s. In this 100, you should be written carry over to the 100 place. Then that's 3 tens, you should be written down. Tens place. Next you take 100 place value, 100 plus 300. Now we are going to add this 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 1 after, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 437. What is the answer? 437. Next we will see the one more example. Listen. Here we are given the question 3 groups of number. 524 plus 473 plus 181. Okay, first you are going to write the place value. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones. Next, what is the second place value? The second place value is tens. And the third place value is hundreds. Take the first group of the number. What is the first group of the number? 524. So write the ones place value. Here the ones place value is 4 and the 10th place value is 2 and the 100 place value is 5. Next you take the second group of the number. What is the ones place value? Here the ones place value is 3, 10th place value is 7 and the 100 place value is 4. Take the final number. The ones place value is 1, the 10th place value is 8 and the 100 place value is 1. Now we are going to add this. Take the ones place value. So now everyone count with me. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 4 after, 5, 6, 7. Next 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 7 after, what is the answer? 8. Okay, what is the answer? 8. So write 8 ones. Next you will take the tens place value. Keep 2 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you got 9. Next you will take 9 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 9 after, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer is 17 tens. What is the answer? 17 tens. Now we are going to split this. 7 tens plus 100s. 7 tens plus 100s. In this 100, you should be written carry over to the 100 place. Carry over to the 100 place and then 7 tens you should be written under the tens place. Next you will take 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1. 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 1 after, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next keep 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then keep 10 in the mind, 1 in the finger. So what is the answer? The answer is 11. So write the answer 11. So why we written 11 here means there is no thousand place. So simply you write 11. Finally the answer is 1178. 1178. So listen my children, I hope everyone can understand what I took now. Okay, in this below description we have attached study material, question bank, assessment work. If you do the assessment work, if you have any doubt means just go through these videos again and again, then you will put the addition problems. Thank you dears.
Hi, this is Nikita from 11th standard. I am studying in Bardasana Matriculation High Secondary School. I can say Republic Day in 20 different languages. Let me start. Tamil, Kudiyarasu Dinam. Telugu, Ganatantra Dinam. Malayalam, Republic Dina Assam Shagal. Hindi, Ganatantra Divas. Kannada, Prajarajyotsava. English, Republic Day. Urdu, Jumjuma Oriya. Punjabi, Ganatantra Divas. Gujarati, Ganatantra Divas. Marathi, Prajarajyotsava. Nepali, Ganatantra Divas. Malay, Hari Republic. Sinhala, Ganarajyotsava. Chinese, Gonghi Gauri. Dutch, Republic Day. Spanish, Jour de la République. French, Dia de la République. Japanese, Kyowan Hong Kong.